This is the second part of my Jaipur video, and here I shall show all the places that I shall be covering on my second day of the 1 night 2 days Jaipur trip. If you haven't watched the part 1, then please watch the part 1 first and then this video to get a complete idea of the trip. The link is provided in the description box. Hello everyone, good morning. This is our day 2 in Jaipur. Today we are going to check out of the hotel and then go and visit the remaining places to visit here. We are planning to go to the Albert Hall Museum and then to the Hawa Mahal. Probably would explore a bit around the Hawa Mahal. Then we have still 2 forts which we will explore today, Jaigarh and Nahargarh. And after that we are going to go back to Gurgaon. So come along with us. But there is a problem. I don't know, people are saying, some people are saying, some people are not saying that today there is some kind of examination going on here, and that's why internets are not going to work, monuments would remain closed. But I didn't find any information regarding this on the internet, so I don't know, I'm still in doubt. So I have to go out and then we can find out what really is going on here. So let me introduce you people to my 2 travel mates on this trip. This is my father, this is my mother, and we 3 are exploring Jaipur for 1 night 2 days. Yesterday we visited the Amber Fort, watched the light and sound show and also the Jal Mahal, and today we are going to go and visit the remaining places. Right now I am standing in front of the Albert Hall Museum. It is the central museum in Jaipur and it also houses a mummy from Egypt. I'm really excited to see what is there inside. But today I faced a problem because of an examination going on here. The internet is, the server of internet is down everywhere for all the networks. So we had a little bit of trouble in finding out the way because we are so used to using the Google Maps. We had to ask the local people and the local auto drivers to come to this place. So if you are coming, then you should always keep this thing in mind and check out if there is some examination or something and download the offline Google Maps. Albert Hall Museum is the oldest museum in the state and functions as the central museum of Rajasthan. This museum was opened to public in the year 1887. The museum building, known for its architectural beauty, is an example of Indo-Saracenic architecture with Rajput influences. This museum has an enormous collection of paintings, carpets, pottery, weapons, statues, jewelry, and lots more. It even houses a mummy. This museum remains open on all days from 9 am to 5 pm. And then again for night visit from 7 pm to 10 pm. These paintings are so beautiful, right? This is the gallery showcasing paintings from different periods and eras. We are inside the Albert Hall Museum right now, and you'll be getting glimpses of whatever we have seen here. There are loads to see. There is a mummy also, we'll show it. So we thoroughly enjoyed it. If you're planning to come to Jaipur, this is something you should never miss. This is the mummy from Egypt. This mummy is named Tutu, who belonged to a family of priests and is around 2400 years old. This building of Albert Hall Museum itself is so very beautiful. It's so beautifully carved, and the building itself is historical, and it was established in 1896 probably, somewhere I read it. So we have visited the museum and there are lots and lots to see and learn. You will need at least 2.5 hours to see it completely. Now we are heading towards the Hawa Mahal. So This is Hawa Mahal, the Palace of Winds. This structure was built in 1799 by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh. This beautiful palace is built of red and pink sandstone and sits on the edge of the city palace. I'm at the Hawa Mahal right now and I'm standing in front of one of the windows in the Hawa Mahal. Probably in the eras bygone, a queen might have stood here and watched the market outside. You can come and see, it's so beautiful outside. The market is of old architecture and pink in color. Jaipur is known as Pink City, right? Now there is a history associated with it. I'll tell you that later on. Now come and have a view of the outside. This small window through which you can see the street life below is known as Jharokha. There are about 953 such small Jharokhas in this entire Hawa Mahal. Do you see that behind me? Isn't that very beautiful? I'm enjoying it, but it's very hot. Today is a very hot and a very sunny day. And I'm standing in front of the Hawa Mahal. I just showed you how it looks from inside and now I'm standing outside. It's very beautiful. And what I love about this place is that they have maintained its historical aura, maintained the name Pink City, and everywhere you see around the market here, it's painted pink and the designs are also all typical Rajasthani designs and of the old architecture. So it's very beautiful, and do not forget to explore this place when you come to Jaipur. This crown-shaped 5-storied structure with 953 small Jharokhas is actually the backside of the palace. This was constructed for the royal ladies. The royal ladies observed strict parda, and these windows allowed them to observe the everyday life and festivals on the street without being seen. Our next destination is the Nahargarh Fort, and we are now driving along the winding roads on the Aravallis. We are on our way to the Nahargarh Fort, and we have stopped at a viewpoint. These are the Aravallis, as you all know, and we are going to go up to the Nahargarh Fort. And from this viewpoint, you can see the entire Jaipur city, the Jal Mahal, and the hills surrounding this place. It's awesome. It's simply beautiful. So whenever you are coming, do stop at some of the viewpoints to experience and enjoy the views. Nahargarh Fort was initially named as Sudarshangarh. During the construction of this fort in 1734 by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II, it is believed that the spirit of a Rathore prince, Nahar Singh Bhomia, created obstruction in the construction activities. A temple was built to pacify him, and since then the fort came to be known as Nahargarh. Jaipur Wax Museum and Sheesh Mahal is located inside the Nahargarh Fort complex. Here you can also watch Kathputli dance. However, the entry tickets to this museum and Sheesh Mahal is separate from the entry ticket to this fort. The inside of the fort is very beautifully designed and has rooms for the king and his queens. It is believed that before this fort was constructed at this place, this used to be a place where tigers lived. There are lovely corridors and beautiful frescoes adorning the walls of the palace. If the king wanted to visit any one of his queens, he could do so without the knowledge of his other queens. Right now I'm at the Nahargarh Fort, and this is going to be our last stop for today. We could not see the Jaigarh Fort, the city palace, due to lack of time. We need to get back to Gurgaon by about 4 p.m. This palace is very beautiful. You can see all the paintings around in the world. It's so beautiful. This is all for today. I'm ending my video here. So if you did like my video, do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.